I got a new spark plug, NGK Iridium. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are wondering which one it is. Right now, I've got the E3, whatever that is. It looks like it's starting to rust up a little bit. I've had it on there for over 1,000 miles, so I think it's about time. Got a socket wrench to make this super easy. Come on, get your ass out of there. Alright, we got that thing out of there. So the thing about this bike is you have to remove this little end piece from the spark plugs. See how it's threaded right there, and that's right there. You're just gonna get pliers, squeeze it, and it'll come right off. Let's go do that right now. So you hold it from this part, pliers, twist, comes right off. Easy. Alright, you're gonna put that back in the same way you took the last one out. Thread it in with your hands, because you don't want to cross thread this one. Give it a little extra tightness. Oh, there it is. Good to go. Alright, now we got it on there. Boot back on. Gas is on. Key is on. Starter on. Wow. So yeah, that's putting on a new spark plug on the Hawk 250 carbureted version. Peace.